So today I'm gonna show you the new jump pad tech that I found, and it's literally broken now. So you gotta choose arena. There's a specific loadout that you gotta choose. You can choose any primary or secondary, but the first and the jump pad, those two, the melee and the kick, you're gonna need. So you're gonna come up here, place it down there, and it will literally be side by side of the ramp. So you can see that it's more powerful than the normal jump pad jump, and you can use the new double jump feature, like new buff to the double jump, to make it fly you up the ramp like this. And you could beam your friends or players that you're playing with. Let me do it again. You gotta stand by here and use the double jump when you're right there. You see? Here's a different way that you could do it. You could go to the edge of the ramp and double jump, and you'll reach here, and you could beam the players that are standing with no clue that you're there. I don't know why, but the Splash Man has the most jump pad tech type. I don't know what you call it. Maybe the Uniter tech or something. So there's a one over here, and there's a one down here. So that's the one I'm gonna show you. You gotta place it down there, and you do the same thing. See? You just do the same thing. When you reach the ramp, double jump, and you can bring the players up on the tree, and you could go down here and beam them on the jump pad place. And if you've seen it, you'll get a boost on the water after you did it. So like this. Oh, yeah, you still get it. This other one is still on Splash. There's like 3 of them, so you can do the same thing. So you're gonna place the jump pad here. This needs to be the correct position or you'll mess up. So like this. Here's the last one that I'm gonna tell you about. You're gonna place the jump pad right here. It's really hard to do. So you're gonna place the jump pad right down here. And go to the water and you do that. It's really hard to do. I don't know how I got there first try, but yeah, that's a different one that you could do. And that's all, guys. Peace.